Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. I'm Bianca, your Christian fitness trainer, prayer warrior, and vegan nutrition specialist, and I am so glad that you're here. So today, this is going to be a short video, hopefully, and I'm just doing a quick juicing recipe. So it's going to be, I took it and kind of modified it a little bit because it's supposed to be 2 apples, 3 carrots, and 2 celery stalks or something like that. But I'm adding in some spinach, and I'm cutting it down to just 1 apple, and I'm adding ginger because I really like ginger and it's good for the digestive system. So I'm going to go ahead and, I'm sorry about the noise, but I'm going to go ahead and do this. So let's turn this on. Let's get it going. Got lots of spinach here. Carrot turned to the side. And then my ginger. I like ginger. And finally, I'm going to add this apple. Almost there. All right, ladies, and that is it. All that, I don't want to take it off because I don't want it to drip everywhere, but it's going to give me about a cup of juice, and I'm actually getting ready to go work out. And so I'm going to drink this afterwards, but I just wanted to have it prepared. So, you know, it's full of vitamins, a lot of chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is really good for the blood because chemically the makeup is almost exactly the same. So it's really good for cleansing the blood and getting rid of disease and all that kind of stuff. And then, of course, you have the vitamin A with the carrots, and apples are good for pretty much everything. And ginger, like I said, it's good for the digestive tract. And it's just, to me, it just tastes good. So anyway, give it a try. Let me know what you think. I'll link the recipe in the description box. And I'll talk to you all again real soon. God bless you. I love you and have a good one. Bye.